In the past 4 years since the COVID-19 pandemic, we have become accustomed to thinking about viruses as threats. Recall in 2020 that politicians called for a war on the virus. While such measures were crucial in the face of a viral pandemic causing an emerging infectious disease with devastating consequences, in fact, scientific research is now increasingly interested in those viruses that do not cause disease. These viral companions might be called symbiotic viruses, the title of my project, because their presence is essential for human and non-human survival. I use the concept of symbiosis to investigate the fascinating world of viruses that humans and non-humans have been living with, perhaps for as long as there has been life on Earth. The utility of viruses has long been acknowledged in scientific research. In the early 20th century, Félix Durel of the Pasteur Institute here in Paris co-discovered bacteriophages, special viruses that infect bacteria. While bacteriophages were used as a therapy to treat bacterial infections, they fell out of use in most of the world when penicillin was discovered, but are now making a comeback in the context of growing antimicrobial resistance. My research will bring together colleagues at my sponsor institute, the Laboratory for Social Anthropology at CNRS, and scientists at the Pasteur Institute. It will produce a new, empirically driven theory of symbiotic viruses. My starting point will be one strand of research about viral symbiosis in the case of the human Peggy virus, known as the good boy virus. The good boy has been found to have benefits for its hosts in cases of people living with HIV and Ebola infection. I am also excited, while here in Paris, to generate experimental forms of social engagement with viruses, inspired by the activism and citizen science that emerged among AIDS activists in ACT UP in the 1980s in France. We can learn a lot from viruses, including new ethical and political vocabularies that emphasize care and relationality. A study of symbiotic viruses is perfect for answering my project's central question: how do we live ethically with viruses at this precarious moment for humans and non-humans alike?